Hey friends, if you wish to troubleshoot printer problems on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. The next solution will be to check to install the printer. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select printers and scanners. You will find your printer here. You can remove it. Then click on add device. Find your printer and then you can add it once again. Okay. The next solution will be to restart the print spooler service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down and you will find the print spooler service here. Okay, right click on it and then select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.